Hi everyone, it's Shannon with J&S King Family Farm, and today we're going to pick up a load of feed, and I've picked up my friend Jen, and she's coming with me because I take you all the best places.
Yes you do.
Yeah, I do. And after we get a load of feed, we're going to an odd and exotic livestock sale. So rather than just cattle today, there's going to be probably some bottle lambs, bottle calves, pigs, maybe even some peahens. We might get lucky. So let's go get a Tim's and
Yes.
let's go for a drive.
We got this.
Awesome.
All in.
So we've got the feed on now. We're going to go over to the auction and see what's up for sale this time.
8.14 on it there, ladies and gentlemen. That's kind of like right there. And how about $10 for it? $10. 10. Should be hands all over the house. $10, 10, 12 and a half. Now the Vermont 12 and a half, a bit 10 to 12 and a half. 10 to bit 12.50, now to go 12.50, bit 10 to 12.50, now 15. 15, now the Vermont 15, and bit 12.50 and 15. 300 ducks. How many's in there? A big bunch of them, right? 9 ducks there, ladies and gentlemen. There you go. And how about $100 for them? 100 on the 9 ducks there, ladies and gentlemen. You got $100 bill, but 100. What do you say? 100 and $100 bill. 9 ducks and $100 bill. But what'd you say? I got 100. She knows how to bid. $100 and 105. I'm at 100, 105. Now 10. 110 there to go 110. But you got to bid twice. 110 now to go 110, 110 and 15. 115 and 120 now to go 120, but 115 and now 20 to 120 to 120. 115 now 20, now 25. 125 and 30 now to go 130 to 130, 120, 30, 35 now to go 35, 40. 140 now to belong at 140, but what's his money, honey? 140 now to go 140 to 140. You want him 135 over here. Number 80 is the buyer. What number 2?
So we finished up early with the auction. Today everything was really expensive. We did get a new breeding buck. He's just about a year old, black, New Zealand, and what did she say?
I don't remember.
New Zealand and Flemish Giant mix, and that'll bring some new blood in for us. I looked at some Brahmas, and it was a breeding quad, and they went up to $250, and that's just too much for me. So when you come to the auction, it's really important to come in with a budget. Know how much you're willing to spend on a particular item. Bring cash, because most auctions are cash or personal check. But you really need to stick in your budget, because the sales go really, really fast. And the adrenaline that comes with bidding, sometimes you get a little caught up in it and you end up spending more than you probably should. So today we're going home with a $15 meat rabbit, and that's kind of it. So we had some fun today, and
Great day.
Yeah, it was
Beautiful
good.
Weather.
Last year was super cold, so this year was fantastic.
It really was nice.
And so we're gonna get our bun home and get him a drink and some food, and that's kind of it. So this is our we got a new bunny. They never put them in fabulously fancy cages because they have to go home with someone else. But he's had a long day in the heat, and all he wants is a drink. And so we've set him up with a drink. We're going to get him some food.
Yeah.
We should have given them back their...
Yes.
Hi.
I want to pet the bunny.
Not yet, Rose. Here he is. So he's a... Whoa.
A wiggly bunny.
He's a mix. He's supposed to be a mix of Flemish Giant and New Zealand, and the ears kind of give that away. So he's pretty calm. Yeah, buddy, it's okay. We got a new home for you. Okay? So we're home from the auction. We only ended up picking up a buck for our rabbits, and that's kind of it. It was definitely pricier today than we were expecting. It's still fun. I love going to an auction. It's usually quite entertaining, especially when the auctioneer is entertaining. So we got our new rabbit home. He's tucked in for the night. He's got food. He's got water. We collected all the eggs, and we're just bedding everybody down for the night. It's been a long day. I'm tired. It was also my son's birthday party today, so that was something we had. We had a lot of people over, and I'm just pretty beat. So I'm going to snuggle this little guy for a little while longer, because he's a little purr machine. And hey, buddy, And that's kind of it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed seeing the auction. I thoroughly enjoy auctions. They're a lot of fun. And so don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you next time on the farm.